Hey guys, Richard here, eBike Reviews and Adventures. Well, we're going to take a last look at the Invanti Tide2. That is spelled I-N-V-A-N-T-I, and it's the Tide2 model here. They came out with a Tide 1 that looks significantly different. And in fact, just a little backstory here, Invanti is actually part of Fifth Wheel Bike. And we've had a couple of the Fifth Wheel bikes on this channel before, but they created like another company to go after a different market, and they named it Invanti, even though it's part of the Fifth Wheel Bike family. So it's kind of interesting. So if you look, you'll find the Tide 1 listed on the Fifth Wheel Bike website. Tide 2 currently isn't listed there. It's not on the Invanti website either right now because it's a new model, and I think they're just low on stock. There is a couple still out there on Amazon, so you can follow the Amazon link to find it. But this has been a nice little bike. We'd keep it longer had it had a bigger battery, but 10 amp hours, you're not going to go very far on that. I won't go very far on that because I'm 240 pounds. So I want to move this on and make room for bikes that have bigger batteries that I can do more with it. But real quick here, you got a 500 watt motor back here in the back, and it peaks at 900 watts. You do have a cable pull brake system. You got these smaller tires on here, so they're like I think that was 3" by 20. Nice knobby tire, so good for streets, good for a little off-roading there. You got folding pedals right here. It comes already with a suspension seat post, and the seat is actually fairly comfortable for a stock seat. So you can see we never changed it out. You do have an integrated tail light back there, brake light. The handlebars up here fold, so you can make it smaller to get it in the back of an SUV. You can also adjust your handlebars for different heights for different riders. So that's pretty nice right there. You do have suspension forks in the front, even though they're not adjustable. They work pretty good. A bigger size headlight on the front is also nice. So overall, nice little bike. We did the review on this already. Just want to do a follow-up real quick because we are putting it up for sale. Gonna sell it to our local community here because I do not ship. And I would keep this longer because I try to keep my bikes longer than what I'm keeping this one. But again, we found that we're just not touching it much because of that smaller battery. A lot of times, for us to go for a ride, we have to go like a longer distance to get anywhere. And I don't want that range anxiety to set in, right? So I always grab a bike that has a bigger battery so they get more love than a smaller bike like this. Hey, it's a smaller bike, 60 pounds. It is folding, okay? The seat goes up pretty good ways, and it also drops nicely, so it really can accommodate a wide range of riders there. You got some really nice grips up here with the palm rest, really nice display. First time I've seen this particular display, but it works well. Easy to get to the buttons there. You do have the basic Shimano shifter up here, but it's shifted fine, and you do have a twisty throttle there. So yeah, been happy with it. Kind of sad to say, I'm going to turn it loose because it's been such a nice little bike. But again, I just don't have space. The channel is getting popular, and people are wanting to send me more stuff, and I can't accept more stuff because I've got too much stuff in the garage. And so some of these bikes that I'm just not riding much, they've got to go. Let's do a quick little ride here and see how it performs. Really nice. This is throttle only. Really nice pick up and go. Yeah, it just wants to get up and go. We only have 3 levels of pedal assist, but that's okay. You don't have to have 5. 3 is working out just fine. Throttle only. Zip it on up there. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and there's 20. Tops out at 20, I believe. 21, 22. Oh, I'm sorry, it doesn't. 23, 24, 25. There we go. Tops out at 25. So pretty good for a small little bike like this, lightweight, small battery. I think my handlebars are a little out of adjustment. Probably need to correct that. But yeah, just does well. I'm just going to do pedal assist now. I'm going to leave it in pedal assist 3. And about the same cadence there. I mean, it's just moving on up there pretty quick. Ghost pedaling though, I can almost keep up with it at 20. Beyond that, I can't keep up with it. Maybe a younger person could, but that's all right. So hey guys, that's going to be it for this video. Just wanted to show the Invanti Tide2 some love again because they sent it to us. We did a couple of videos already, but we're going to have to say goodbye to it. So I wanted to share it with you one more time. Hey, I think this is good for people who are like in RVs or something, just want to get around the campground and that sort of thing. You're not going to go long distances because it folds up nicely. So yeah, let me know in the comments down below what you think. Give me a like, subscribe if you're new here. And hey, stick around. I'm going to show you another video right here.